major relief for Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Prevention of Benami Property Transactions Appellate Tribunal has cleared him and his family of allegations of Benami property ownership. The order that was passed on the 5th of November said that there was no substantial evidence against Ajit Pawar that suggests that he or his family transferred funds to acquire Benami properties. The tribunal said that all transactions made in this regard were through legitimate channels. After the order, the Income Tax Department has cleared the properties worth over 1,000 crore rupees that were sealed in the searches by the agency earlier. Let's tell you also that this case dates back to October 2021 when IT department had raided several locations linked to Ajit Pawar's family. It was alleged back then that these properties were held by the Pawar family through Benami transactions. Naturally, the opposition is not taking it too well. Uddhav Shiv Sena believes that the decision is on the expected lines and says that NDA's washing machine is once again in operation.
ये क्लीन चिट तो मिलनी ही है ना। प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल को मिली, अजीत दादा पवार को मिली, अब नवाब मलिक को मिलेंगी। बात ऐसी है कि 1000 करोड़ की बेनामी संपत्ति उनकी जब्त हो गई थी, लेकिन बीजेपी में चले गए। प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल की प्रॉपर्टी मुक्त हो गई, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का धब्बा निकाल दिया, वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दिया, 300 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी फ्री कर दी। अजीत दादा पवार कल शपथ ली बीजेपी के साथ मोदी जी के उपस्थिति में। 2 या 3 दिन में ईडी इनकम टैक्स ने उनकी प्रॉपर्टी क्लियर कर दी।
Well, it is not astonishing or something very surprising.
Right.
It's a common agenda of a BJP.
But here we see that first it was Prafull Patel and now it's Ajit Pawar, and it has come just a day after he has taken oath.
But that is what I said.
Yeah.
It is not astonishing or surprising. It has been the agenda.
Here opposition also claims about the mechanism, how the agency functions. How do you read this?
So it's a simple example how the agencies function. Simple example.
And taking on his detractors is Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar himself. He sarcastically is asking why would it take 2.5 years of joining the NDA to get a clean chit.
मैं भाजपा के साथ कब गया हूँ बोलना 1.5 साल हो गए तो 1.5 साल क्या हुआ कुछ भी अगर उन्होंने जो भी एलिगेशन किया वो सच्ची उसमें सच मानना पड़ेगा ऐसा नहीं है हर एक को अपील करने का अधिकार है और उन्होंने डिसीजन दिया।
Now, the BJP is reminding the opposition about some of these cases were also cleared when Uddhav was in power, and hence this has nothing to do with who is in power and with who is Ajit Pawar in alliance with.
ऐसा नहीं होता। उद्धव जी जब थे तब भी अजित दादा की एक केस निकाली गई, तो पावर के वजह से हुई क्या, ये पावर का क्या संबंध है? देखो, इस पे निर्णय करने वाली जी संस्थाएं होती है, वो संस्थाएं अपने आप में निर्णय करती है, उसको पावर से नहीं जोड़ना चाहिए, ऐसा उन्होंने कहा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा कोई नहीं है।